not enough sleep. This week I'm on my way to Ghana, to a university who've bought some GPR equipment and resistivity systems. They're a kind of mixed bunch. They've got soil scientists, geologists, structural engineers, all sorts. So they've bought a very wide range of equipment, and it's my task to train them on all of it over the next 10 days. So it's day one in Ghana, and the first thing that we have to do is get all of the equipment out of the shipping containers that are behind me. It was going pretty well until we realised that the smallest of the boxes is behind about 1,000 kilos of soil testing equipment, and we're not going to be able to shift that one out. So we found a man with a machine. He's going to drag the big stuff out, and then we can get to the final bit of kit, make sure everything's here, put it all together, and finally get on with some training. Okay, we're on with the Pro-X training. The customer here has bought Pro-X because they wanted the versatility of being able to have antennas that range from 25 megahertz up to 2.3 gigahertz. So that gives them everything from geological mapping all the way up to being able to do concrete investigation. So over my shoulder there, they're just learning about the Object Mapper project, where basically you can collect a series of traverses over at grid, and when you import it into the processing software, the positions, relative positions, are all imported across with it, so you're not having to define exactly where your lines are. And the only problem is I keep getting distracted slightly by the fact that there's a fighter jet behind me. But we're here for the GPR, not the fighter jets. So now we're on to the resistivity training with the Terameter LS. So this is our imaging spread that we're using today. We've got 0.5 meter spacing, and we're collecting both resistivity and IP data here. These guys are interested in all sorts of ground investigation, everything from water prospection through to geological mapping, structural investigations, depth to bedrock, bedrock quality, that kind of thing. We're still next to the jet plane though. Oh, brilliant. Final update from a very sweaty Englishman in Ghana, and we're just about to finish off with the SAS log training. So the SAS log is the resistivity borehole logging accessory that you can use with the LS or the simple SAS instrument that we have. So they've bought one of those. The only thing we had to do was try and find a suitable borehole to do the training on. So we found the suitable borehole eventually. It's surrounded by quite a lot of vegetation, so there was a fair amount of hacking to get here using the old favourite, and there it is. Just a small matter of a seized up padlock between us and the borehole now. It's been a hot and humid 10 days, but hopefully successful. Cheers, Ghana.